Thinking of coming to Ghana now or later? Wondering where and how to go about your stay while in Ghana? Have you heard and want to experience Ghana from her food to music to culture to heritage and to tourist sites? Denilex Travel and Tours is ready to hold you down. Denilex Travel and Tours is your ultimate travel partner right from the airport to wherever your destination may be. Denilex is well equipped to handle your travel needs and be your guide throughout your stay in Ghana. Connect with us on social media at Denilex_group or visit our website at www.denilexcompanylimited.com or call +233 744 431. The experience with Denilex Travel and Tours is always worth reliving. Try us. Denilex Travel and Tours, your ultimate travel partner.
Who is going to do my account and tax returns for me, cry?
Certified accountant. Certified accountant. Certified accountant.
They will help you with your account and tax returns.
Are you a minicab driver, hairdresser, shop owner, or self-employed? Certified accountant. And I was working with Chapman. And then we say when you will be a bring accounts and tax returns more. Now bansa so more. Now who you actually? It didn't make for certified accountant at the Yamawo. F accounts and tax return. Company accounts, bookkeeping, payroll services, charity accounts, and gift aid claim. As of for what 20 movement engineer certified accountants, self-tax planning, business advice, company registration, and many more. And if you company or Chiwakasa, now what the hotel bro, no this is Capudio Subabro no Bushia. Certified accountant. Say about transfer from the dia. What 20 construction workers, agency workers, relief security workers, bank nursing staff, and then one we are Juma our temporary workplaces in Yamon Frano, no one is Capudio Mamo. But the Yamada say HMRC4 at the Cabra work. What me wow a trim and yes as well. What is so cry?
Address 335 to 351 Raynham Road South, Dagenham, RM10 8QR.
Telephone 0208 226 4933. Mobile 079 568 045 17. Certified accountant. Mehuma mehua chame. Mudim puntio abba meduma yume.
For Ebraso, it's time for Legal Matters. This is Top Online Radio UK, hailing from the eastern corridors of London. Ohimakrum DJ Kebini, Jidis Ubia Ayakrado. I Ebraso side Wednesday evenings. UK had now it's time for Legal Matters. Inkrata sem emransem when him says na de bia kanu say wo abrichire na he onkrata sem ni siswa. We are seeing differently. I very differently. And in Kata same day here, and in ne, yane Wisemart for which you come about adoption. Say, pese uko adopt to akwada a free outside the UK, edinaba UK ha. Nti Ghana for the Ebeka say we ko adopt akwada free Ghana edina ba krum ha eno ene nkoma ene yebiti minim say hia pa say da meka no say either say wo ana say wo be wo ai say unya ngo ye nti bia wo so be wo enti hia pa enti ene ye nse brekra memfa lawyer wisdom Wisemart mrana yenhye nkoma na say. Welcome to Legal Matters, lawyer. Na the say on Wisemart.
Adom bibia boko na wonsu bibia wo.
Na me adom ye ho ye pa bibia ye boko. Ai. Yo, ye da already as said na so de won abeka ye ho na e pese e hwe se. Eja legal world no. Mo na eja motimi hu ne ekoso. Update bia ba opese de best start ya na Eja kokobabi wono ma pese one Ghana for work mache.
Medasi papa, medasi pa yo etifu ananso yamamo ajo.
Ai.
Ene de ma cha.
Ai.
Na ma cha. Yamamo ajo ye da jana se o sandi ananso edi ache yen. Yo we dey you come straight to the point. A few updates na ewo ho. number one, and it's near 9 home office now decisions. Now it was taking 11 months on the average to make decisions. Now, so from your observation, and I'm saying, almost the decisions ni eba, almost JJ Mokaka country. Say, would you Emma, you see, Ubi diaba, Ubinsu dianam, a quan soup, and she say, would you fine, a Mayan swa, quang, ebeba, almost the decisions. And ra not a year, and I know she, Puna not a year. Bank holiday no yeah decisions I'm say oh na sani pa we decision here now one call bank holiday
overtime
oh yeah overtime and say decisions and say yeah to so and trying would you my just keep waiting ebeba secondly yeah who so say home office almost yeah decisions be about 3 true about Emofra, Omawufo Krumha. Na a BI application set Amudiamuma, a person Amuba. Na home office for normal decision set, say a share about brain and impane and fear will see with dear. It is too much and your pet and say, Abufrano, when you sing and in fear, I want the passports no more.
I'm say me demi ba, and I'm say when you say, what's so hard say?
Exactly. And see, I will say, so I will share about friend just an animal when you now, who share age now, who will say, or the man now, I want a passport, I'm on yen to Musa, I am and the normal now, so now, Omar refuse say, sir, application. Near me, person may catch a safe one, say, Omar the baby, sir, a year war, man's through, as I said, with the case no echo court. Because case laws, a war, a challenging home office fair. One to me show be a name, not wouldn't fear a manner. One to me show be a name, can work as a with 17. One to me show be a work as with 20 and not 22. Number one, and you want to warn. Number two, people are exposed to all kinds of different conditions. Maybe I oriented, and Nipano is looking that way. A bill to a malnourishment. Maybe a Jania would Nina Subet Miacher says Nipano looks older than their actual age. A bit more so called young class in Oha. But now you was secondary school, no. Not penny beer. Yeah, any of your age mate now, so share an empire when you work as on Ukraine war. But share. And also share, wouldn't your age mate. Now, so Obranti, Obra, I did not connect him Santi. Now, he looks a lot older than his actual age. Want to me and shall be in him, no, I can say, no, I try and fear man, say, or 21 or 22 or 23. And to say the Bibisa, a year. Mensro, fat cockot. Case laws were why you bet me so I can say the Home Office cannot just look at somebody's picture. And yes, any panel was any picture keke. And I can say they pay extra more than 18 years. Yeah, just and so one to me, yeah, Fabre, we know what to do. We know the case laws that are there. Who are lawyers who are with me that come out lawyer now I share so not what the actually case list now what I am on. That is that. Then the other update I'm going to say, yeah, you know, I am say EU for if UK if you know, and I EU for so there's a bit of reduction in applications about me I am more ebusian for. Now so emrano da so yejuma say so we EU ni a wo krom ha na se wo ba wo maame wo papa wo nana wo nana Nina so ewo amanone still no with me application eduomo aba. In other words, direct family members no still no with me application eduomo aba. Ubane buru 20 years odu 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 25, 30, 35 mpoa still no. So with me actually say one or your uba and then two una wo hwena esane tia with me application na ode na abakrom ha ade na kyerɛ sɛ wo na ɔhwɛ no Nti hono na money transfer receipts and all the additional supporting documents no with the ho na why application na or the aba. A very likely since application no, they may refuse it, but I'm refusing for it's not the end of the world. Yeah, the court they challenge you na lose it, na ya win it, na ubano no wetumi aba. Omo yi mo fi yi yumra no mo de omo ye ebusuafo extended family members. Unua ba, uncle, nephew, nieces. Omo de ye yi omo fi emra no mo under the EU law or under the EU settlement scheme rules no. Ye yi omo fi mo. Uba uyire ukunu ma uyire ma ni nyina no still no yetime ASR applications for Abakrum ha. That is that. Maybe one more thing I'm able to do and it's say you phone want to me ama ansana ye fi ye no mono ansana deadline abano a big still a big percent on mobile UK ha a bad dang and away to me aba so when to me ama ansana ye fi mu na one ma ambe ye EU settlement scheme registration no woni evidence wo pre-settled status in BBC na so we still no person over UK ha and they just say open an employer or sponsorship license now I'm self sponsorship no now application abakrum ha as an employee I know there over to me aba yejuma wa ha aba settle e wa ha but insist ha over to me aba for visits but won't remember and settle because as of now no as at this time one member settle one member EU settlement scheme don't see you may not be able to come to apply under the EU rules. You will be able to come for visit up to 6 months, but you have to go back. If you want to come and settle, then you have to come as a tier 2 worker. Upe. We say upe employer, no more letter, more confirmation say we more ejuma, no aba ejuma. So those are the little updates, sir. Because
Yo, may I say, lawyer, for those important updates. And I hereby your questions. Let you for and I share adoption. Say a wo person ko adopt akwada from outside the UK. Edinburgh UK ha. I enona ene yene lawyer wisdom. And how to adopt a child from abroad into the UK. How to adopt a child from abroad. They say, yeah, you are in the abroad and you're here for a lawyer.
Abroad, no,
they say Ghana, you're abroad.
Outside the UK.
They say Ghana, you're abroad.
Anywhere that is not in the UK is abroad.
Ghana, you're abroad. What it is? Adopting a child from abroad, including Ghana, into the UK. And on a lawyer, lawyer, and say adoption no ankasano. It is saying because Makano happen say, bring me a madam for be a wafujune. No, say, or be adoption a mano. And I'm saying, Papa, now be about you saying now fujune, how no be to me adopt too, sir. But I'm saying I know you're different. Be until lawyer adoption no ankasa chichriemu. It's rona. To clarify that, because Binum say EU adoption. I can't my confusion basa. What is adoption?
Okay. Yo, it's here for Madam was say Papa Mommy Kwambium Seven Chile. Yeah, I already say near the difference between adoption and the way we normally use the word adoption. Now we have there's two words. We have adoption and we have adapt. To adopt and to adapt. They are two separate words. But we are ADOPT and about we are ADAPT. To adopt is different from to adapt. To adapt is to change to suit a situation. I am adapting to the situation.
Okay.
Adopt is a work of abufrebia And you want Kasan na wo no. Wabaye no uba. Se say no wabaye uba. Wabaye uba. Now so yeah na you for no. I want to me use the word adoption in a very different way.
Okay.
Now you for the normal say oh my adoption. Obi already 45 years. Obi already 30 years. We see my adopting baby. The word adoption is and no almost dependency.
Okay.
Dependency. So that should have been the right word for that adoption now. You for the young worker. It should be dependency. My dependency application. I'm a my sister. I'm my brother.
And their brother ideas, yeah, they are wahapa. Yeah, they are wahapa.
Yeah, and see, dependency. Adoption, it's abufra. Abufra, we are under 18 years. Obi a we 18 pe, one year abufra bi. Won't me adopt it. Obi a we penny. To me, insist Obi a we penny. Won't me adopt it now. Abufra pe. And I'll bet to me, Afana Abaye Uba. And that means the child is under 18 years.
Okay.
And then that is a brief clarification with the adoption and the dependency application.
Yo, lawyer, and the answer my name, Madao. Today, for your child adoption.
Yes. Now, you say, Menim Sani Papi Brewo, who I was you, Mr. Fimo, and our brother Fimo, my auntie, Unihobium. Ne mano me na mehwe wom amo ina abaye madeswa amo school fees amo didiem mate se Ghana aye dimpa nti se se de me na me ya bibia ma wom bibia amo hospital kom amo school kom amo rental yes down we rent kura me na me ya bibia abo friends mehwe ne life mo a menim sa oni mo ade pa just oye sharp nanso situation na owo no enya ade a oda so etina sa situation mo a ebeboa na enanso me pese me kofa sa abofre ebebe ye me ankasa me ba ana bia ba ku bia mati very sad story sister no na okowo ena ohwe ne nkwa she didn't survive at birth anansi waja amofra nketenkete ne sister ya wo ha no ono na ehwe amofra nyina why yes, I was so see the person who could be at least ba could be a ba the person me yen me ankasa me ba now me man a good life in the UK again na me unfortunately no or a British citizen and then to want to make fa ne sister a ba emma sa ena anko ye nimpo a se say no mo yi extended families for no efi emrano montinya dia obetumi akofa sa abofrey aba anonte the only way obetumi edi sa abofrey aba no by adopting the child na abofra na baye ono neba all those anya ne yefun ba no wa baye ne adopted child why did you say anwanka saniba obaye den na why sa adoption a few years ago. Now UK hano emran ye di ejuma and adoption so person ko fa abofra if outside the UK eba and then your friend of the friend of foreign adoption okay. Because the child is coming from a foreign country, another country, then your friend of foreign adoption. Now what happens then is this, that there were 3 categories but here countries almost signed to the Hague Convention. The 29th May 1993 Hague Convention. Countries via sign for the protection of children and cooperation in respect of intercountry adoption. Some countries via sign say, "You bet to me, you the share secret as is say, uko adopt abofra fi sa country no ediba another country omojitum. Uko adopt abofra fi sa country ko another UK." America, Canada, so countries na omojitum. Na Ghana, na oni sa one sign that document na.
Wow.
And home office for say yeah, but Ghana, if Ghana, mukuro no mo, yeah, and run the judgment. Yeah, number two list, yeah, your friend, the designated list, no so designated list. And we were not signatories to the Hague Convention, but we were put on the designated list, no so. And no, I'm not Ghana that for some years. And did you see, Ghana for Yankasankasa report said, Obinum ko adopt Ghana for Mofrana, Idioma ko Canada, Idioma ko US, Idioma ko different places. Now, Mofrana Yaka, things are not well. The children are being maltreated or they don't go through the right procedures as an adoptee Mofrana. And the Home Office for whom say, one and one
procedures. Lawyers are saying we are okay. Here for the decide, man.
I said, I am Pansu. No, I Pansu said, now a bit by adopting Mufrani the Omukwa, na Omo me and see, of course, the reports come back to the country or the adoption agencies in Ghana. And to protect the welfare of the children, they have to do things the right way, which was okay. And the Home Office for UK for who and I will say, okay, so more money and you move fee. Designated listeners near the 1 or 2, the third category.
Wow.
And for some years, it wasn't possible to adopt any child from Ghana because UK, first of all, we were not on a designated list. Secondly, we didn't sign the Hague Convention, and we are in the third category. Wow. And no third category. So we adoption in Ghana. We are so decided adoption. It's too tight. Wow. That was too much. And I Ghana for companion for no dream to Davy, and your papa. And to almost sign a review on the system, no. And on the 16th of September 2016, Amo instrument Echo 2 before the Hague Convention Committee. And Amo assessi, and I'm saying, Ghana says,
okay.
And see, from the 1st of January 2017, from the 1st of January 2017, and Ghana, a member of the Hague Convention signatory.
Wow.
Yes, and see, first of all, now the Hague Convention is near that designated list, so any year go to other categories. To say you assign Akoda the first position, that is the Hague Convention.
Oh, okay.
So 1st of January 2017, Ghana became the member of the Hague Convention countries. So Ghana became the 149th country to be connected to the Hague Convention on Private International Law.
Wow.
So say no so ko adopt abofra fi Ghana e de ba UK ha omojitum.
Okay.
Omojitum. Now so ansana ubokwakoji adoption certificate fi Ghana no. Niema bi wo ho a esese wo ye ansana obeteme akoye sa adoption.
Wow.
Over here bibi aye friend certificate of eligibility. Certificate of eligibility. Area see bibi obeye bia wo hie ehun adansedie.
Family. Who adopt to be barber man a new life so and no so no just alcoje ho certificate.
Yes.
Hey. Yo yati.
Uji certificate. Because some years ago, me jidi say ukai abofra bi aye friend no is it Victoria Kremlin or so, Ukaya, na obi eko adoptee sabo free eba UK ha, ena ombe ya abofani yakayaka di, eko news mo, na it was in the news for such a long time, and the council no, had a very bad reputation, and the say no council no pesa debi, yem pesa yeding ever caught into the bad record books no monte. So who percent will call adoptee abofrebi fi amanoneng abekrom ha. Ya pesa yankasa we want to be involved.
Wow.
From the beginning to the end. So abofra no bedu here we want to be checking say enya dia wo dia abofra na ba wie wo ba kasa abofra no ba yifo oba en waja ojuma say wo ba bibia enko ye ma obiom enti no wa start e molest abofra na to the point say you starve the child, you assault this child. You know, they don't want that.
Okay.
They want the child's best interest to be protected. I don't say, almost say, Papa, Mammy, who was a crowd of devil, Yapene soup, now soup, as a sofa, a crabby soup, and son of Akoji, Akofabo Frey Abba. And no, and I'll bring a certificate of eligibility. Certificate of eligibility. Now, Ansana over this certificate of eligibility now. Procedures over firm. The certificate of eligibility is issued by the Department for Education. I'm gonna share adoption cases too in this country.
Okay.
To number one, as I said, who approach your adoption agency. Adoption agency are now your local authority. And it's over Hackney, who approach the Hackney Council. So over Eastama, you have to approach the council there.
Newham Council.
Newham Council. And any other council in which you are, you have to approach the council. Set me pese me ko adopti abofra from Amanoneng ever UK. That is point. So it's either the council or the adoption agency within your designated area. And we are number one.
Wow.
So who approach you, they will take you through guidance and systems, procedures. Number two, and it's a social worker will be involved. Under your social worker, you cannot choose which social worker you want. They will have to give it to you. Because Papa wait, and that's the way they and I'm way or if they will give you the social worker to work with you step by step by step. So, social worker, no, however, fear initial consultation, or maybe so questions be brave. They just want to be sure, say, Nyawukano, ampa, say ampa, upeso ko adopti abufrey, eba, and yes, so adopting aba, na, while using it as a slave, but as your child. To adopt the child, to come as your child and not as your slave. So the social workers will be involved. Number three, what they will do is they will do something we call medical checks. Yeah.
So they have somebody at the discouraging the
So we share Section 55 of the Citizenship, Borders and Immigration Act 2009. Whatever the institutions, the authorities do, they have to ensure the best. They have to ensure the best interest of the child.
Wow.
Remember, so the child cannot fight for themselves. The child has no voice. The child cannot go out there to complain that this is what is happening to me. The child has no way of venting out their frustration or their suffering. So it is the duty of the institutions, the duty of the department, the duty of the government agencies to protect and ensure the best interest of the child. And non-tender council, no, agencies, no, social workers, no, they are all there to be sure, say, abofrana within a the child's best interest will be protected. It is not to discourage you, but to ensure that abofrana will be protected when the child comes to the UK. I don't see that ASana. And so they want to see one kasawa pomuding. Yebesha se uwa Arabia na wa yempese boka kwa doctor abofre aba after 2 years. Wewu na abofre over anything. And after 3 years, with him, abofre we jana mahina. The child's life is going to be worse than that. Or one ikru, one ikru, better than say, would abofre aba. wonni hɔ a wohwɛ no na ama no ayɛ aba abayɛ ɔhaw. So that is that aspect. So they want to check your health. They will check with your GP to get your medical records, make sure you are fit, you are well able to look after this child, and sana they go to the next stage. They will also check your employment. Ejuma woye, sikasa na woje. They will make all those checks. And sana, and also you bet me actually say, wait me adopt your prayer. We will just na me nye juma me pensioner. Me bet me adopt na yes. We bet me adopt. Ebi a pensioners ni bi wo kura sika o mo je kura na don so say ya ye ejuma no nti pensioner na ejuma ni sika o je ebi o ji pension from here, private pension, state pension, and all these additional pensions. Sika a bank account for a month no, it is over 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Such a person is able to look after a child. So yes, ubetini adopted abofra.
Yo, lawyer, answer na to us remember Makra. I chief for near 4. And then we are discussing how to adopt a child from outside the UK into the UK. I say opese okofa Ghana for the Ghana na be focal point. Say wo UK hana pese oko adopte akwada bia onye oba e free o man Ghana mu at the number UK ha na any lawyer wisdom Wisemart Solicitors you didn't come on. And to say a question be about this topic here obetimi I afre yen studio number no, which is on your screen. And those listening on the app, no, the number is 0208 133 5876. That's 0208 133 5876. Facebook so over to me. I tap your question, any question you have at the in the comment section on the Facebook. I here say we are in front of free consultation. I lawyer Bahadia a free consultation. No way now free happy I cannot guarantee. I cannot guarantee. And this our question. And then mum say legal question be crana emfa a topic no one. Any legal question be a will be a seven crata sem. Any social body, any legal question be will be no. You can ask it na lawyer so ebebuana wama sa free answer no. Yo, enti lawyer yento aso medase.
Yo, enti edina na nkamepani Victoria Ajo Clemby. Victoria Ajo Clemby. Ononi abofrebia on the 2nd of November 1991 between 2nd November 1991 to 2000. I think she died in 25th February 2000. She was an 8-year-old Ivorian girl who was tortured and murdered by her great aunt and her boyfriend. Now, the child's death led to public inquiry and produced a major change in the child protection laws of the UK.
Wow.
Nina kahuntina sa adoption cases are so difficult. Because I'm afraid 8-year-old the child was tortured and murdered by her grand auntie and her boyfriend. And when Nana and Sisaye eba adoption and child protection cases mononti. And until now, Home Office is ensuring that every child is well protected. Every child is well protected. Now, and so now may count the stages leading to the obtaining the certificate of eligibility. My count about social.
There's a whole plan eligibility.
Oh, David, but my body tougher. And the medical checks, they will check your apomodin say we are fit to adopt, and then from a honor. They will check your work, with your home situation. Then they will check your police checks. On my police checks, I should say whether you have any criminal records.
Wow.
Na abofreba won't be telling how to steal or how to commit how to become a criminal. They want to be sure that you are clean. They don't want the child to come and live in an environment where the child will become like a criminal if you are such a criminal. And as for Ghana, for them, say you're paying 170, that will not apply to us. But this is what the law actually says. Then from a honor, they will have to prepare a home study report. Home study report. The home study report, and then they check like a totality of all that they are going to check or ask about you. Then there will be a panel that will sit with you. They will ask questions. They want to be sure. They will do their checks and balances and make sure everything is in place. And from a honor, then the support group. There will be support groups which are also going to help you say, look, we are Ghana Ghana ever. Now, so sometimes the cultures may be a bit different. 20 years, 30 years, yes. The way you look at things will be totally different from Abofra. While raising over Ghana. Ebia Oba, one share. Nini you been one share, it's one share na with the unsa, Ecobono, and visa. So they have to support you and make you understand that things are not going to be as rosy as you think. It's going to be a stage of adjustment. Sir, before you get to the stage where you get used to this child. From a honor, that is when they will provide you, they will make the application to the Department for Education for them to provide you with the certificate
of eligibility. Wow.
So you go through all the stages, the stage of approaching the agency, the stage of social workers coming in, the stage of your medical checks, initial checks before the home study report. Home study report will be prepared, your police checks, the work, your home, your whole life will be packaged into a report. And then, if you honor, then they'll give you the certificate of eligibility. Once, when you have a certificate, the certificate is like a passport to adopt. It's just what pass it.
Wow.
When you have a certificate now, you are able to adopt from any country that you've identified the child from before you started the process. Abia who are help us practice the Philippines, why identify Bufrano. If you go through the process and you get a certificate of eligibility, you can then go to Philippines and start the adoption process there. But here using Ghana as the case study. Once I want your certificate of eligibility in the UK, the saying over Sanko Ghana already were identifiable free. The social welfare department of Ghana. They will contact the relevant authorities, the child's parents or the child's carers. They will prepare their own reports and make an assessment. It is going to be better for this child to be adopted to come to the UK. Or Ghana, better for this child. So when we report you here, then it will also give you their side of the story, their report. A court. A court, one lawyer, almost one lawyer. Now, Ghana is an attorney. I will call the barristers. I'm going to call court to argue, say, you share reports here. But we share. We'll go through the procedure in the UK. The Department for Education, which is no small department in the UK, has given this woman or this man the right to adopt from the UK. To adopt from outside the UK. So this means this person is eligible to adopt from outside the UK. Now, with that certificate of eligibility, what they call Ghana, they will then know that, yes, you are eligible to adopt. They will go through all the procedure with their court. So the two lawyers will do their argument, one on behalf or a social worker on behalf of the child, and then your lawyer on your behalf. Then the judge will make a decision, say, yes.
Hey, lawyer, Mr. Rowe, and the OYA agreement so say, Opesa ko adopt and also besan ko court for Ghana, where a social welfare for no be appointed a lawyer to argue against Nia Opesa Oyeno.
It could be 4. it could be 4 because by then almost one year report it down.
Okay.
So the report may actually be 4 or in the interest of the child's adoption.
Okay.
And so our representative Nicole Court now, it is more or less like saying, yes, we have done all our checks. Yes, we have seen that it is in the best interest of this child to be adopted. Yes, we think she has complied with all the requirements from the UK, and therefore we have no objection to this child being adopted. Ola yanso ho abone tinko so yes. Akoma me na chese bibia akọ pepepepepe. Na hono and a judge, by a decision. So our money order say, or money adoption order says the child from this day is now the adopted child of Mr. So and so or Mrs. So and so. Now our the adoption order now.
Hey.
A honor.
That means the final adena has to be done in the court.
It has to be in the court.
Wow.
Want to mean so Mrs. Abamiana Marshana from Ibufrasia, the permanent or me, but they be Yanisa.
Wow.
De facto adoption, it has to be adoption by court in the court process. Because but adoption certificate no have be able to we see bia what me aka say abofrewe or ya ba or my adopted child. And yes, sir, you have nothing to show. You have absolutely nothing to prove. And it has to be given by the court. And when the court gives that, you have the authority to to bring the child to the UK. While you're waiting, I feel as an over home, and I'm going to lawyer. Now, the application, the abetum, Amawubano, Nawaba.
Lawyer, but so after Ghana court, pass judgment say now in your favor, and the child is now yours. Ntina, you say what next? You have to apply for what? A visa for the child or what?
Yes. So we are British citizen now. In some cases, the child will become a British straight away.
Okay.
In that case, you have a British passport application. Amabufrano.
Wow.
From outside, no about UK. So one penny, sir, over to application. Ama abufana manaba kruma obedu here now a British passport application ediamana. So, and there are some instances the child will be given limited leave to enter the UK before you do the application. So it all depends on the status of the adoptive parents, and what they want at the initial stages. Sometimes, woko adoptable for a yamao certificate navy, bibia na uma abofani chewa Ghana sa. It's as if you have abdicated your responsibility. Remember, sir, we say abofani who here and non-tina wakwa adoption. While adopting area, I don't think I would for another 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. It defeats the purpose for which adopted the child. And you pet adoption you straight away, and so your application nema ubalo omara and bekawonsa. So say there where you uba and check with me application amanaba. So these are the requirements for the adoption from outside the UK. The details, questions now, social worker incorporate baby, so there is a lot. But you now within 1 hour. That program. But with the mama snapshot of the whole overview of how the adoption process is. Until we all learn, it is possible, it is true, but these are the stages you have to go through before you can adopt the child to bring to the UK.
Wow. Lawyer, say enye easy sao. Hey, say that here was your for. When you say what to man to adoption on say enye isa. You the lawyer Mr. say enti say I think there is a complex, sort of procedure. So Wisemart, do you take like whole charge of this whole process? CBS we be so per se mobuano. Can you take care of the whole processes from inside the UK to in Ghana and even after the court ruling?
Thank you. Very good question. I'm grateful. Now, there were one or two occasions that me try to liaise with the adoption agency on behalf of the client. I'm going to tell me straight away said they want to deal with the clients and not with the lawyers.
What?
Because Abu Frandiba and your lawyer in China, so they want to deal with the applicants themselves. So you will be almost some will be biana for your adoption certificate nivea and no dear or better media bread lawyer and now application Abu Frana Amanaba. Because some person who could feel a assessment and your lawyer and fear no omobeko and your lawyer in the office na some person we or ban medical and any medical checks and your lawyer need na pay. So social worker ever be questions and your lawyer no now be and the panel person. So it's everything about the individual. They told me point blank they don't want to deal with me, they want to deal with the individual. After everything, then they can bring me so they want to cut out.
Wow.
They want to cut out. But why we person who adopting? Of course, we wait me about lawyer to seek for advice. Via social workers, what are the likely questions? Via then we can talk about that. We can discuss that. And now, with this medical condition, how can I respond to that? Then we can generally discuss those things. We wait me about seeking advice, but the adoption agencies do not want to deal with the lawyers. They want to deal with the individuals. There may be some exceptional cases, but generally they prefer to deal with the individual rather than with their legal representatives.
Wow. Your lawyer, I be question be WhatsApp question. Say roughly how much does it cost from beginning to finish? I mean, with me, an idea.
Let me a more rough idea.
Okay.
From beginning to finish, it's expensive because social workers and social workers are not cheap. They are not cheap at all.
And you're free on.
They be. It's not cheap at all. You'll have series of meetings with you, and some of them will prepare reports and all those other ones. So give and take. From the information I have from Omwa contacting adoption agencies, and they came back to me. They are looking at between 10 to 15,000 pounds.
Wow.
Yes.
That is for the agency inside the non.
Yes, for the preparation of the whole process in the UK.
Okay.
And some of Ghana, they are not different. And some lawyer, they are not.
Hey, now they say ukoto nipakra. Hey, you where there? Yeah, that's a lawyer wisdom. Where there time or 3 minutes be. The Wisemart for them be and be said because I'm saying mobile if you do so and crata some mainly. And I can want some. Into other service be na mo provide in addition to Nkratasem, may I say?
May I say so? You wait here for providing other services. We deal with civil matters. Abia be Eddie goods be Eddie Kogan amount na over a shipper or see on Fanko or their co na Abia Bibiako say womo. Na upese on Chiasikana na enko. If there's no understanding, of course, you wait to me. I'll liaise with the shipper to get the matters resolved. When your quarters and we want to get it resolved. Announce a shipper anunsu a diadina ko na enkasa se utiano one tiana shipper anunsu wait to me a brain. Then we liaise with you and get the matter resolved. Anampo se ubi eduka na esase utia wentia. And also civil litigation. It's a me Eddie and also it may be a honsu as some amount. But sometimes near American is say Sikana Wukuno So Sikano a 1,005. Nothing. Lawyer ever use 1,006 as an Oduako quarter. Any anchor. More resolve here, and as Sikano. And you are better off rather than say lawyer veggie near veggie. Now, Abia, who call court and so one could just not you have lost twice. Yes. So sometimes the matters can be resolved without necessarily having to go to court. So that is that as well. And a family, so yet to me, family law applications. Abia, Ebusian for Ghana, Pesa, Omoba, Ebeka, and so on. That's also family. And now, Papa, I will chrome her, Mamma, I will chrome her, and Tiasi, Yejuma. Now we can deal with that as well. And then for a child arrangement order, we try to resolve that matter as well. And then so you don't have to Ghana customary law, Ghana customary marriage, and so we deal with that aspect as well. So generally, we do family, we do civil litigation, we do immigration cases as well. And so it will be in these areas, of course. They can contact us, and then we will be as much of help to them as we can.
Your lawyer, wait there 1 minute. Now, Madam, few question be ordered by say, Sebia Obani Okunu. Na Obano describe be more Bemano because on himself Obani Okunu to say be Obano in your Jumania more money than the Bemano. Until wow to me na bank accounts savings or bear no they are me do at 10,000 5,000. She has done this for probably 5 years. And now she say Beman is one worry beam. Na any pano beso buza say inti says can out demand Beman in no can be no with me up so agent back. Lawyer.
Or the man or the or the man said, or Donny Cruna, or the man, and now the man some final project be. I didn't know this kind of thing. Or
say, Sebia said, Bemano, co Ghana, with me, Eddie Scamano. Or no visit
on Panya.
What they so say a or no, a Bemanti, a Busiano, Musicano, the Benya Biano, or the Mabeman, Sebemano, so far more Busiano, bra. So, enti wo pushy mano or a bio crowd so me the bemount so between them no be mano oh mame 20 minya de me the bemount na or don'ti no their mano some of them no otimika say 20,000 pounds me at 10,000 pounds was me the bemount fama minya de me the bemount no their mano
a dear na or the year.
Well, dear, all chen say a boa Bemano and a private project. Aha, into Tim Bisano. So, oh, maybe my maid, maybe one may eat a 10 I mean, for enco, me fabin count support and ye, no, their mano. So, aha, into yes, na a jayaba. Now, so, I say, scanner, on the Sika could be Beman on a torso. And Tibiano, a beside Trimana, she feels so bad, say she has been cheated. And is there any way I'll wait to me? I get some of the monies back, lawyer.
Okay. Near ever normally say in this situation, say our Rajaya bar, we have two procedures. We have the divorce proceedings and then we have the financial order.
Okay.
Divorce and financial order. Maybe next time, no, Yamima inquiry, but treat this topics no divorce and then financial order. Financial order and it say no worry no maybe I'm more 10 years, 15 years, 20 years near property papa na ye na near won't wa ye no move the in before the court. Now the court will say mommy 20,000 now demand 10,000 now demand 15 now demand 13 now demand no a dear na all this can yeah. So you could see Diane and out any private project there. Then you have to trace all those private properties and you rope it into the form E. I can say, Papa, you worry and money this amount for this XYZ. Many so what they acquire project And to saying na would you two from so. Court, the court would ask the papa to say, who projects some amazing say why XYZ family property, whether it is Fahina, but so a panel say, of course, the court will not just take it lying down. Obana is also any investigations to see what the man has got. Maybe our petrol station bill, baby. Maybe our pure water business bill, baby. Maybe our block factory bill, baby. Not Sunday, an idea was see a block of flats, the baby, our renting. So Mammy will have to do her own investigation. So an idea of a contacting land registry, Ghana and put to find out set properties Ben soup and a papa didn't die. As I said, of finding out all those things and present it before the court. Then, the papa will try and trust David Meneshi. Now, Mammy, then the court will say the man is being disingenuous, the man is being dishonest. And then the court will make a decision to see, say, your XYZ, we strike it, 50% Edia Maubano, 60% Edia Maubano. The court will have to come to that conclusion. But it's a lot of work to bring in all these things, to bring out everything. So, the cash, and I could do what they call ball life. And if there's nothing to show for it, then unfortunately, that is your loss. That is your loss. That is it. But the idea with their property here, that you can bring all of that in to the financial order. The court to look at it. How long you've been married for? If there are children involved, the court to make an order to get on the property for you. That is what you can be done.
Yo, may I say, lawyer, wisdom for your time and your explanation. You know, I'm at near Marcy. I in 70 days, na ibu amo de banam se me menya lawyer. Ya am frɛ. Wa obu a ye program na no mo test me. Na me me man ko yellow we say for. I lawyers no ha no nti. Me da se pa nya me nshira lawyer nti nyame adoma next week you be sign any more denchemu.
Yo, you better say bet me share divorce no and our financial order because never be brave go through this problem.
Yeah.
As you worry our any group property no you any saying and now your boyfriend, girlfriend, no, your property, you didn't that so now so young worry. At the end of the see, we need to find out all this. So we'll look at one of these days and treat one of these topics to let people know, especially man na ya na omobrepa ya na me man di takati
hey lawyer e man bi so timi di me man hwe
we they become my man but yeah, na remember to be a brepa, but when
yo, me that's a palo antine. You better say, Nyami Adman next week, be sensia. God bless you. Bye bye.
Who is going to do my account and tax returns for me, cry?
Certified accountant. Certified accountant. Certified accountant.
They will help you with your account and tax returns.
Are you a medical driver, hairdresser, shop owner, or self-employed? Certified accountant. And I was working with Chapman. And then we say when you will be a wabri accounts and tax returns more. Now bansa so more. Now who yachi? It didn't make a certified accountant. And the Yamawo. F accounts and tax return. Company accounts, bookkeeping, payroll services, charity accounts, and gift aid claim. As of for what 20 Open engineer certified accountants, self tax planning, business advice, company registration, and many more. And teach you what company or Chiwakasa. Now what the hotel babro. No this is Capudio Babro no Bushian. Certified accountant. Say about transfer from the dia. What to the construction workers, agency workers, relief security workers, bank nursing staff, and then we are Juma our temporary workplaces in Yamon Frano, no one Yisika Pudu Mamo. But the Yamada Kran say HMRC4 at the Cabra work. What me wow it came and yes as well. What is so cry?
Address 335 to 351 Raynham Road South, Dagenham, RM10 8QR.
Telephone 0208 226 4933. Mobile 079 568 045 17. Certified accountant. Me humba me ho atwa me. Mudi mpunti yo aba maduma yi.
Thinking of coming to Ghana now or later? Wondering where and how to go about your stay while in Ghana? Have you heard and want to experience Ghana from her food to music to culture to heritage and to tourist sites? Denilex Travel and Tours is ready to hold you down. Denilex Travel and Tours is your ultimate travel partner right from the airport to wherever your destination may be. Denilex is well equipped to handle your travel needs and be your guide throughout your stay in Ghana. Connect with us on social media at Denilex_group or visit our website at www.denilexcompanylimited.com or call +233 744 431. The experience with Denilex Travel and Tours is always worth reliving. Try us. Denilex Travel and Tours, your ultimate travel partner.
A man come on. Abrochire for Ghana for listen to Ohima B this and every Tuesday evening 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. UK time for our evening talk show. A man come on. Join the conversation. Family issues,
social issues,
Awaria munsem,
child upbringing,
Abataye munsem, a mantetiye munsem, Fieshensem, a memasukahu. Don't miss this show. This and every Tuesday evening 8 to 9 p.m. UK time. Listen to A Man Come on Top Online Radio UK. You can watch the program live on Facebook at
Top Online Radio UK.
You can tune in to us by visiting our website www.toponlinestation.com, or you can download our radio app directly from the Play Store or the App Store. You can also tune in to us on Modern Ghana Radio, Ghana Web Radio page, mytuner.com,
and all third-party radio platforms.
Join the conversation. Wadrin is saying, don't miss this show. This and every Tuesday, 8 to 9 p.m. UK time. Only on Top Online Radio UK.
You don't want to miss this.
Next Grill. Listen to DJ G-Night on Top Online Radio UK. This and every Tuesday evening, 4 to 6 p.m. UK time.
As she
Brings you
Next Grill.
What's in the Mix. It's really anything goes. Social issues,
Cultural issues,
diaspora issues.
Ghanaian issues.
It really cuts across all the board. Listen to DJ G-Night this and every Tuesday afternoon, 4 to 6 p.m. UK time. Don't miss this show. Join the conversation. What's going on? Next Grill. Only on Top Online Radio UK. You can listen to this program live on Facebook and YouTube. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. You can also tune in live on our website,
toponlinestation.com.
Download our free radio mobile app from the Play Store and the App Store. You can also get the download links from our website, toponlinestation.com. Don't miss the show. Join the chat. Join the conversation. Let's talk. Join TJT Night this and every Tuesday afternoon, 4 to 6 p.m. UK time. You don't want to miss this. This program is proudly sponsored by Certified Accountants Limited, a firm of Ghanaian accountants in the UK. You can reach them for all your accounting and tax matters on 0208 226 4933. That's 0208 226 4933. Or you can visit their website, certifiedaccountants.org. That's certifiedaccountants.org. DJ G-Nice, twice as nice.
This man.
Boss, good afternoon.
Yeah.
We are asking a certain question concerning the situation.
Say, Hana Bear Bro, bro for the Ako anymore. Mr. Bro for a comedy mate, Quasiato.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Ghana 4, Abrochire 4, UK 4, join your highness, no, young on Top Online Radio UK for our current affairs talk show,
Trending Digest.
This and every Thursday evening, 8 to 9 p.m. UK time. What's going on? What's trending? What's in the news? Join Nana Youngson to digest these and all stories making headlines in Ghana, UK, US, Europe, and the world over. Don't miss this show. This and every Thursday evening, 8 to 9 p.m. UK time. What's trending? Don't miss this show. Trending Digest. You can watch this program live on Facebook at Top Online Radio UK or download our radio app from the Play Store and Apple Store or visit our website toponlinestation.com. This program is proudly sponsored by Certified Accountants Limited, a firm of Ghanaian accountants in the UK. You can reach them on 0208 226 4933. That's 0208 226 4933. Don't miss this show. Trending Digest.
is going to do my account and tax returns for me, cry?
Certified accountant. Certified accountant. Certified accountant.
They will help you with your account and tax returns.
Are you a medical driver, hairdresser, shop owner, or self-employed? Certified accountant. And I was working with Chapman. And then we say when you will be a wabri accounts and tax returns more. Now bansa so more. Now who yachiro. It didn't make for certified accountant. And the Yamawo. F accounts and tax returns. Company accounts, bookkeeping, payroll services, charity accounts, and gift aid claim. As of for what 20 movement certified accountants, self tax planning, business advice, company registration, and many more. And if you watch company, what you kasa now what the hotel babro, no this kapudo so babro no bushia. Certified accountant. Say about transfer from the dia. What 20 construction workers, agency workers, relief security workers, bank nursing staff, and them one we are juma our temporary workplaces in India. Mon frano, no one yisika pudu mama. But the other crowd say HMRC4 at the cabra work. What me wow it came and yes as well. What is so cry?
Address 335 to 351 Raynham Road South, Dagenham, RM10 8QR.
Telephone 0208 226 4933. Mobile 079 568 045 17. Certified accountant. Me humwa me huwa chame. Mudi mpuntio abba meduma.